Hi, welcome to AP Chemistry and Directed Study in Science. This is the school year 2020-22-21. My name is Dr. Sitashita. That's my email, and if you want to contact me or meet me on one-to-one basis, this is the link to my personal meeting room. Okay. Now, in terms of the course, I think we went over this already during AP night that this course is equivalent to the first year chemistry course in the college level. Okay. And then this course emphasized the hands-on learning opportunity. So that is why you have to register for the directed study in science. We usually have lab once a week. Okay. And when you do lab, you're not only emphasizing the the content that you learn in the lecture, but you also have the opportunity to manipulate glassware equipment in the lab. Okay, so and then those are the things that are going to be asked on the AP exam. Now, in terms of what will be covered in this course, so these are big nine topics: atomic structure and properties, and then the weighing for um, this 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 topic is 7 to 9% on the on the AP exam. Now, the second one is molecular and ionic compound. That would be 7 to 9% on the AP exam as well. The intermolecular force and the properties, this is kind of big, is 18 to 22%. Chemical reaction, kinetics, thermodynamics, equilibrium, all of them are way about the same, 7 to 9%. Acid and base is second, in the most second important one. Uh, Second to intermolecular force, this which is 11 to 15% on the AP exam. And the last part is application thermodynamics. That is also 7 to 9% on the AP exam. Um, the grade for both classes is 85 to 100% is an A, 75 to 84 is a B, 65 to 74 is a C, 55 to 64 is a D, and below 55 is an F. This class is kind of hard to get an F. Okay, if you really don't turn in your work, you don't show up, then that's when you will um, earn the failing grade. Now, keep in mind that only AP chemistry, okay, this is the only one that you will get weighted as an AP course. Now, what do we do in AP Chem? We, of course, we have homework. Okay, so some people ask me today how we're going to do the homework. So I will post the homework in two formats. It's going to be in PDF format and then in the Word format. So whatever you feel comfortable, if you want to work with words and you want to type in the answer, be my guest. Okay, download that, type your answers in, and then save it and send it back to me. Now, some people might download the PDF and then you have tablet, you can write on it, save it, send it back to me. So whatever you feel comfortable, as long as you turn homework, I'm good. Classwork and bell work. Classwork, which include bell work and exit passes, that's 20 points. And quizzes, 20 points. Now we have only two tests per quarter, which is midterm and final. That is about 40% of your grade. Okay. So now, for the lab. Okay, this one is counted as regular science credit. We have pre-lab, which is assignment for you to go over before you actually do the experiment. We have bell work, exit passes, quizzes, 15%. Lab notebooks, we're not going to do lab notebooks this year. We just, instead of using actual lab notebook, it is going to be lab report instead. And then that's going to be 35%. Of course, we will still have midterm and finals. Okay, that's 20%. Um, when I look at the schedule, okay, and for this year, most of the experiment you will be conducting individually, independently. by yourself. And I will try to have the experiment every Thursday. So, Thursday is nice because if you're not done in time, you still can continue on Friday. And the report will be due on the following Monday. Okay. And I'm not going to talk about the lab notebooks because this year is unconventional. So we will change switch from lab physical lab notebook into lab reports online instead. Okay, so no need to go buy all these composition books. Now, other than that, I will need you to have calculators, okay? And then for the textbook, don't bring it to class, keep it at home, okay? Now, and I highly recommend that you have a 3-inch binder so that you can keep all of document in one place, okay? So when you have to study for the AP exam, you have one place to go. You don't have paper flying everywhere. Um, Now, some tips, okay, for in order to be successful in this class. The first thing, you always have to be conscious about your grade. Basically, I'm not trying to have you to. I'm not encouraging you to be grade driven, but I want you to check your grade at least once a week. Make sure that you are doing okay, and then check if I'm upload in your enter your grade incorrectly or anything like that. Let me know immediately. Don't wait until the end of the quarter. Now, this class is a little bit unique in terms of atmosphere because it's almost like a family, because we spend a lot of time together, and then especially you have lab almost every week. So I want you to be comfortable with your classmates, and I want you to be comfortable with speaking up, asking questions. The more you ask, the more you learn. Um, Now, because the how it is this year, we will be relying heavily on WebEx, and then therefore, I would encourage each one of you to have your own meeting room. Okay, so because sometimes during our own virtual meeting, you will have to host a small group meeting with your peers. Okay, so try to establish that between now and before school starts. Um, Here it is. Okay, so this class is not difficult. Try to stay away from your phone when you're in class. Pay attention, turn in your homework, and then ask question. Ask. Okay, if you don't understand anything, um, don't forget to write up your lab report. Don't procrastinate, and always be alert on the assignment. Yeah, and that's about it. If you have any question, please feel free to email me, send me the remind, okay? And I'll keep you posted on things, and then I will roll out the first assignment by the end of this week. Okay, thank you.